Hello students, here is the question. If the equation below is balanced with integer coefficients, the value of C is. So here we need to find the value of C in the coefficients of this equation. So if we look, we have this equation. So if we look over here, we have 2 manganese and we can't change here. So that means X becomes 2, and we have 2 carbon over here and there is only a single carbon. So if we put B equal to 1, because we know that the coefficients have to be integers, so if we put B equal to 1, Y also has to become 2 in order to have carbon amount to be equal to 2 on the left hand side, as equal to the left hand side. Okay, so here we have 1 B, 2 as X, Y as 2. Now we are looking for the oxygen number in order to find the H plus on the right hand side. So if you look over here, oxygen on the left hand side is 2 into 4. As you can see here, 4 oxygen atoms are in a single MnO4 compound, and if we multiply 2 to it, we have 8 oxygen atoms from MnO4 and 4 oxygen atoms, because we used 1 for B, so there are 4 more. So the total comes out to be 12 on the left hand side. So I will just write over here, there are 12 oxygen atoms on the left hand side. Okay, and if we look at the right hand side, we know that from CO2 over here we can only have 4 oxygen atoms, correct? Because 2 molecules of CO2 becomes 4 oxygen atoms, correct? So there are 4 oxygen atoms over here, and in order to get the rest of the 8 atoms, we have to multiply H2O molecules with the factor of 8, correct? Because 8 oxygen atoms from water will give us total on the right hand side for the oxygen atoms to be equal to 12. And if we look over here, all the other things are balanced except the hydrogen atoms. And if we look over here, we have Z equal to 8. So if Z equals to 8, the total number of hydrogen atoms becomes 16, and we need to have 16 molecules or ions of H plus in order for this reaction to become complete. Thank you.